Well, hello and welcome to the video. Are you looking to make your own YouTube thumbnails, but want to skip the process of looking for the right images? Maybe you're new to YouTube and want to start the easy way, or maybe you're already a seasoned YouTuber but want to explore new ways to make thumbnail creation easier. Well, watch this video because that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I'll show you how you can quickly make a YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT and practically no editing knowledge. Well, let's keep this straightforward and let's make a thumbnail for a video that teaches people how to make a thumbnail. So here I have ChatGPT 4 opened and I've already prepared a prompt. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it here. Our prompt is going to be generate an image of a man sitting in front of his desk looking at the camera, giving a thumbs up. This man is an editor and a YouTuber. In the background, you see his computer setup. He's wearing casual clothing. Use photorealistic style for generated images. Use a plain white background. So let's send this off and let ChatGPT generate an image for us. So here we already have two generated images. So this is the first generation. It's pretty good, but I wanted to generate another one and I made a prompt of make the man more expressive and I want the image to be more vibrant. And this is the result, which is also pretty good. So I'm going to save both images. Now that we have our images, we have Canva open up and we want to create a new design. Let's click top right and let's just type thumbnail and select YouTube thumbnail. So here on the side, you're going to see a lot of templates. Some are free, some are not, but you can stick with the free ones for now. There's so many options, but we're going to search for tutorial. Let's find something we can use here. This one. So let's start by modifying the text. This font is really good, but I do want to make it simpler so that it's easier to read. Let's look for a simpler font. Let's use this one and adjust the size to make it fit. And then let's write make YouTube thumbnails the easy way. Easy way. And then let's just adjust the font until the words fit correctly. And then we can change the spacing. There we go. And then move it over. And there. Easier to read, even if it's small, like you would see on like the homepage. And the final step is to replace the image, and that's pretty easy. You just click upload here on the left, and I've already uploaded both of the generated images we got from ChatGPT. So for this one, let's try using the first image. Let's just drag it over and replace the template image. And there you go. You have a YouTube thumbnail in what, less than 5 minutes? So all you need to do now is to go to share and then download, then select the image format, just use JPEG, and then click download. But let's not stop there. I'm going to show you an easy way to crop out the subject so you can make your thumbnails more interesting. So here is a website called Photoroom. It's an AI-powered website. And what we're interested in using is if we go to free tools and go to remove background, what we can do is upload one of the images we generate from ChatGPT. And what this AI-powered website does is allows you to easily remove the background and just isolate the subject. So here I've uploaded the second image we generated and we now have a transparent background and just the subject. So we can download this and then go back to Canva And then let's search for a new template. Let's just use how to. Let's find something here. Let's use this one. Replace current page. And here we can replace this image with the transparent background we've generated. So here I have the transparent image. Let's drag that over and let's resize that. Move it over a little bit. Then let's move this light bulb right here. And let's change the text. Make YouTube thumbnails let's move the light bulb over. Thumbnails the easy way. Then let's just adjust the font because obviously it's too big. Let's do 100. There we go. And let's move everything so it's centered. And there you have it. Because of using photoroom so we can have a transparent image, we now have a way more interesting style of a thumbnail. And there you have it. We generated images from ChatGPT. We then took those images to Canva. And if you want to make it more interesting, we've used photoroom to remove the background. And once you remove the background, you can create thumbnails like this. It's more interesting to look at. But yeah, the entire process is super easy. It took us less than 5 minutes. This is the perfect workflow if you're just a beginner and don't know how to edit thumbnails. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you're gonna use this workflow. If you're new to YouTube and you found this helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel because I'm gonna showcase more ways we can use AI tools to simplify things that we do. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.